Bay window installation in Everett is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Our expert team specializes in bay window installation, ensuring a seamless fit and finish that complements your home's architecture. With our bay window installation services, you can enjoy increased natural light and a panoramic view of your surroundings, highlighting the timeless appeal of bay windows, Washington. For those in need of window frame replacement, our services in Washington offer durable and stylish solutions. We provide a wide range of window frame options to suit any home style, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and structural integrity. Our window frame replacement services are designed to enhance your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal, often paired with bay windows, Washington, for added value. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for homeowners in Tacoma looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our energy-efficient window solutions are designed to minimize heat loss and maximize insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. With our energy-efficient windows, including bay windows, Washington, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Custom window solutions in Bellevue offer homeowners the opportunity to create unique and personalized window designs. Our custom window solutions are tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Whether you're looking for unique shapes, sizes, or styles, our custom window solutions, such as bay windows, Washington, can bring your vision to life. Double-glazed windows in Spokane provide superior insulation and noise reduction, making them an ideal choice for homeowners seeking comfort and peace. Our double-glazed windows are designed to enhance your home's energy efficiency while providing a quiet and serene indoor environment. With our double-glazed bay windows, Washington, you can enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home. Window seal installation is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Our window seal installation services in Washington ensure that your windows remain airtight and energy efficient. By addressing window seal issues promptly, especially with bay windows, Washington, you can prevent drafts, moisture intrusion, and energy loss. Window glass replacement is a crucial service for homeowners dealing with cracked or damaged windows. Our window glass replacement services in Washington provide high-quality glass options to restore your window's functionality and appearance. With our expert window glass replacement, including bay windows, Washington, you can enjoy clear views and improved energy efficiency. Home window upgrades in Washington offer a range of benefits, from improved aesthetics to enhanced energy efficiency. Our home window upgrade services are designed to meet your specific needs, whether you're looking to replace outdated windows or enhance your home's curb appeal. With our home window upgrades and bay windows, Washington, you can enjoy a more beautiful and energy-efficient home. Window insulation services are essential for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency and comfort. Our window insulation services in Washington provide effective solutions to minimize heat loss and reduce energy costs. With our expert window insulation services, especially for bay windows, Washington, you can enjoy a more comfortable and efficient home. Vinyl window replacement in Vancouver, WA is a popular choice for homeowners seeking durable and low-maintenance window solutions. Our vinyl window replacement services offer a wide range of styles and colors to suit any home design. With our vinyl window replacement, including vinyl bay windows, Washington, you can enjoy long-lasting performance and enhanced curb appeal. Bay window installation in Everett is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Our expert team specializes in bay window installation, ensuring a seamless fit and finish. With our bay window installation services, you can enjoy increased natural light and a panoramic view of your surroundings. We offer a comprehensive bay window installation warranty in Sammamish, reinforcing the quality of our bay windows, Washington. For those in need of window frame replacement, our services extend to the entire Washington area, including bay window frame installation in Yakima. We understand the importance of sturdy and reliable window frames, which is why we use only the highest quality materials for all window frame replacement projects. Our team is skilled in both traditional and modern window frame techniques, perfectly suited for bay windows, Washington. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any modern home, and we offer a range of options, including energy-efficient bay windows in Tacoma. Our energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills, making them a smart investment. We also provide window insulation services to enhance efficiency, especially when installing bay windows, Washington. Custom window solutions are available for those seeking a unique touch. Our custom bay windows in Bellevue are tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a particular style, size, or material, our custom window solutions are designed to exceed expectations, making bay windows, Washington a standout choice. Double-glazed windows are an excellent choice for improving insulation and reducing noise. Our double-glazed bay windows in Spokane are crafted with precision and care, ensuring maximum performance and durability. We also provide window seal installation services to maintain the integrity of double-glazed bay windows, Washington. Window glass replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the clarity and safety of your windows. Our bay window glass replacement in Redmond is performed by skilled technicians who ensure a perfect fit and finish. We also offer window pane replacement services, making bay windows, Washington a long-lasting upgrade. Home window upgrades are a great way to enhance the value and comfort of your home. Our bay window upgrades in Bellingham are designed to provide both aesthetic and functional benefits. From window hardware installation to window sash installation, we offer comprehensive services that pair perfectly with bay windows, Washington. Window weatherproofing is essential for protecting your home from the elements. Our bay window weatherproofing services in Richland ensure that your windows are sealed and protected against wind, rain, and temperature fluctuations. We also provide window caulking in Lakewood, WA to prevent leaks and drafts in bay windows, Washington. Vinyl window replacement is a popular choice for its durability and low maintenance. Our vinyl bay windows in Vancouver, Washington are designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions while maintaining their appearance. We also provide window trim installation services to complete the look of your vinyl bay windows, Washington.